Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly watchlist video. And first off, I would like to look at the market. So as you can see, SPY, I feel like it's ready for a pullback. It's a nice doji candle, meaning it's bearish signal. So I would basically just hedge the market, maybe get some SPY puts or short the SPY. And next stock that I had briefed on last week, as you can see, we had one nice candle, and then there's one red candle right here, which basically just made me sell. So that was just like a 5% profit. It wasn't that bad, but as you can see here, we broke the support line. So um, I don't really know. This could go down, down, down. Like I can't really figure out another support line or in this $5 area. So I was keep it on watch when it goes to $5. The next stock, ZDGE. So I played it right here. I bought it right here, and it was a nice profit. These candles are actually very nice. A nice reversal candle right here, a nice reversal candle right here. So it's very promising because of support and the candle. And these are like kind of the best trades. Anyways, I'm just looking this and see if this makes a move tomorrow. Because tomorrow, if we see another red, a very nice candle forming, then that would be a nice place to buy in because this is consistently bounced off this support. So we can just take advantage of that really well. And next stock is TSM, which I had briefed on also last week, but I feel like it's still viable for this week because it just bounced off the top of the wedge, and um, so it still could have a nice breakout. I'm just gonna buy in. I'm buying in market open tomorrow, so I'm hoping for like a lower open, like down in this area, but still regardless, it's a nice play, and it definitely could go to the 127 range. Next stock is RCE. As you can see, we have a really nice support line, and the stock is nearing up on the support. And I'm just gonna look for some nice candlestick patterns like this one. So let's keep this on your watch list. Next one is another one I briefed on last week, and this is still valuable too because we had a false breakout right here, and then just had a breakdown, and just I feel like I'll drop that down to the bottom support line and then make a break up to the 65 region, maybe possibly to the 82, but that's very unlikely. The next stock is TAST, also brief last week, but it didn't really move that much. Maybe like 5% profit so far, but it's still looking very nice and has nice profits. But price target is like around 70. So we see here a nice resistance line right here. And now let's talk about some new plays. So this one had a very nice dip into the support line, and as you can see, consistently we've been just like consolidating around the support line. Then we just have like a sudden pop, 30%, 20%, like right here, 80%, very big pop. And as you can see, we haven't really had any news about MXC, so I think this is about like buyers coming in. ZKIN, I have some on my watch list. I forgot to announce it in my weekly watch list, but here it is again. So, anyways, it's nearing up on the support line again. And as you can see, we had kind of like a false bounce because it didn't really go up and didn't really have the momentum. Because as you can see here, before we had like nice volume, we have really low volume. Like as you can see, like just showing like below a million volume. So it's kind of not the best, but we have a reversal candle right here, so that looks very promising. But if it goes back down to the support line, I'll be averaging down and buying in more trades. And as you can see, IQ is actually in a long support line. As you can see here, ever since its IPO, it really liked this area right here. As you can see, bounce here, bounce there, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, and I'm expecting another bounce. And maybe if we can hold this for a month or so, we could have upwards of 100% profit. So this is very nice hugging. AOI, one of my favorite stocks because I keep on playing this over and over again. But as you can see here, it's just trading in a channel over and over again. And we just have not the best breakouts, but it's actually pretty decent profits, especially with options. But the problem with this one is that we have earnings, which is I'm kind of skeptical about. But we'd had previously good earnings, but the market had bad reaction, even though they had good earnings. So I would sell before. But we're at the really nice support line at the moment, right here, this area. So I would just keep this on your watch list. I personally would be buying some calls on Monday, but do your own due diligence. But this is a very nice support area. But if you want to take it safe, I'll activate for confirmation because we could have some consolidation in this area like that happened over here, or we could have a nice breakout like that. The next stock is quad. So we have some nice consolidate. We have like a breakdown, nice consolidation on this moving average line, and as you can see, it broke down. But if it breaks back up, it'll still be viable, just like happened here. But if we see another red candle, that won't be the best trade. But my price target would be for this support resistance area right here, which is a nice 50% profit. Next best. So this is kind of very skeptical, but as you can see, RSI very oversold. MFI, stochastic, all looking very nice. MACD looking very nice too. And we also have this nice support, but earnings is like this is earnings season, so I would be very skeptical about your trades with earnings coming up. But the earnings will allow us maybe to get the stock at a nice discount. As you can see here, we have very bad earnings prior, so that's kind of risky. Next stock is HMIX. Played this before, nice profits, and it's gearing up to support line. And we might see some consolidation at this area, but I'm getting my limit set for this line. ICPT also in a very nice buy zone right here. So here, as you can see here, we have nice buyers coming in at this area. So this could be very nice. Next up, Sumo. I've talked about this beforehand in different installment video, but I thought I'd refine it again because we had a nice support on the 52 week low, which is when I picked up shares in these two lines. When I've been adding, had added more right here. So this is it's consolidating at the moment, and I see this is kind of like a long-term play, but we could see 40 as high as 40 in the future, as long as we get some good news and insider buying. But we had some very insider selling when down here, which kind of increased like the selling sell off. WBA called it last week. We had a few red candles, but then we had a nice reversal and kind of like a nice 10% play right here. BYND, this is looking very nice. The WXYXZ Elliott wave theory. I'm not the best at these, but it could possibly reach 243. Just has some good sentimental news. Definitely could help out. And they had very bad earnings and estimated kind of bad earnings, and the market also had bad reactions to the earnings. So I'm basically going to sell before and buying after, hopefully at a discount. USGC, I will be making a future video on just its own video on the stock because it's a very nice long-term play. But as you can see here, we're basically at the support, very strong support, like right here. And yeah, it's a very good place to open up a long-term position. And our last ticker of the day, MSGS, also at a very nice support line. So I would pick this up too. It has very nice opportunity, upwards of 18%. So I'll keep these all on your watch list. And do comment down below if you want me to do cryptos too. But thanks for watching.